picture this. You are on your Instagram or your TikTok and you're scrolling, and all of a sudden you see an ad that's either boring and you look at it for a second and you keep on scrolling, or it's an ad that catches your attention and then gets you to click and then buy the product. That's what your customers are doing every single day. So today I'm going to be showing you my exact strategy to create video ads that actually convert and sell. I'm going to be walking you through 3 different strategies: a free version where you can do it yourself, a paid version where you can outsource it, and then lastly, UGC, on how to actually get other people to make video ads for you. This is mostly for brands, but it is vital for everyone to understand and know, because this is always the end game. So without further ado, let's get into option number 1, which is actually doing it yourself for free. Now let's take this video ad. This video ad is pretty good. Let me show you how it was made.
I bought 3 of these for my house. Let me tell you why. It's perfect. Its unique and elegant design will elevate your home decor. It's honestly magical.
Okay, so overall, pretty good ad, right? It shows the before, the after, and actually showing this in action, right? Putting up the product, how it looks in their room, really just getting into the customer's head. So we have 2 different options here. If we were gonna sell this product, let me show you how it would be done. Number 1, you can actually go on a spy tool like PP Ads and actually download their video ads by clicking the button right over here. With 1 click, boom, you downloaded their video ready to go. Now, something I do recommend though is not just copying and pasting, although you could do that just for your testing. And just a disclaimer, copying other brands' materials can get you shut down with TikTok ads and all these other platforms. So this is something that can be done just for testing. If you do see that it works, I would suggest moving on to the paid or the UGC route. So let me show you what I would do here. I will go to TikTok and just type in Willow Vine, okay? And just like that, you're gonna see hundreds of people over here using that product, okay? And a product like this is actually really good. Why? Because there's so much content on it to use, okay? So what we can do here, okay, we can take a little bit of each one of these videos, my favorite parts of it, and we can actually turn it into a video ad that will look beautiful, okay? So let me give you an example here. Let's look at this one right here.
For a way to create a cozy, romantic space in your home. Look no further than the enchanting willow vine. Hang it on.
Okay, so you can clearly see that whoever made this actually took certain parts of other videos and put it together, because their text is super big and it's on top of the old text that was once there. So something that's important, that the clips that you actually want to use is clips with not too much text on top, okay? So for example, this would be good if you could just crop out the bottom. Obviously you want to make sure that it meets dimensions of the platform you're running it on. So a video like this could be good as long as we can crop it. And in this case, it looks like there's just text on bottom, which is totally okay. So we're going to go ahead and copy that video, and then we will go to SnapTick. And this is a watermark downloader, right, that you can actually paste in that video. All right. And it's going to be able to allow you to download it without any watermark. Okay. So just like that, we have the video. Okay. As you can see, the video ad right here. Okay, so ideally what you want to do here is get about 5 to 10 of these type of videos just by scrolling through TikTok. Type in your product name, okay, really simple, and go ahead and try to get as many high quality clips as possible, ideally with not too much text, because later on you're going to want to put text of your own. For those who are dropshipping, this is a massive no in my books if the product that you're trying to sell does not have much content, because you're probably not going to want to go the UGC route and have to order, you know, your product and send it to influencers, which we'll talk about a little bit. You want to use this for your testing. It just makes it so much easier. Now, what about editing? What are you going to use for editing? Okay, what I'd recommend is to use CapCut. Okay, CapCut is either an app on your phone or you can use it on your desktop, and it's super easy. Ideally, all you want to do is find the best parts from the video ads that you chose and then make one really good ad. Now, something you can also do is remove the sound from the video, and you can add different sounds that are trending. Or here's a little hack for you. I like to use 11 Labs. Now, what is 11 Labs? Really simple. 11 Labs is a speech-to-speech AI voice changer. So literally so simple. You can just go to products, go to text-to-speech, Okay. And then you can literally put in a text, right? Whatever you want the AI to say, and then just have it speak over, your video. So take a look.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Okay, so as you can see, there's so many different voices here, right? There's Rachel, Daniel. Anyways, you guys get the point of it. If you sign up for a free account, it's literally 1,000 different voices that you can use. Play around with it. You never know which one is the best, right? Just try to find something that's natural, that captures the attention of your potential buyer. Now, you can also make your own voiceovers if you want, or even pay a creator to do a voiceover for you. Okay, now in terms of the style of text that you should use, excuse the video here, this is the style that you should be using. Okay, very simple. This is the TikTok text, like regular text. Okay, I really like it. Don't make your text too big, make it a little smaller. You should be using the trends and the style of text that's currently working out of the market. As you can see, this video got 1.4 million likes, 12 million views, right? So this obviously, the style of text is working. So sometimes you don't have to do all uppercase, you can do lowercase, right? Whatever works. Keep it, kind of to the middle, somewhere that meets the eye level. And this is something that is weird, but it's very important, because I see a lot of really random text people put on top of their video ads, and it doesn't really work. Okay, now this is the perfect ad formula that you want to use. The first one is your hook. Grab the attention of your customer, okay? And that can be something like a before and after, or it can be, shouting out their problem that they have, or how your problem is going to solve their insecurities, or whatever your product does. Then you can show the proof, or how the product works, or very important to actually visualize the person using the product and actually showing the benefits rather than the features. Features can be something like cotton hoodie, or you can say comfy hoodie. Totally different words. And the second one sells the first one a lot more. And then lastly, show why they should buy from you, some sort of offer, and that would be a perfect ad. So we're going to show you some examples of a bad ad over here, all right? Okay, that was obviously a terrible ad. And we can see why, right? It does not have a hook. It doesn't show the product benefits. Poor filming, really bad. All right, let's show a good ad.
This 180-pound portable gym machine was the most sold fitness item in 2022. Decided to get one last month, and guys, it's crazy how good it works.
Okay, so right off the bat, there's like some dude like lifting this thing, right? It's like a big hook. And then it shows the product in action. It shows how people can use it, right? It shows authority, all these different things. This ad is great.
Any workout you do at the gym, you can do using just this one bar. Literally squats, shoulder press, bicep curls, chest flies, you name it. Hundreds of workouts from anywhere. Goes up to 180 pounds and it's fully portable. It even comes with its own app, so I never have to worry about picking it up. Also,
and here's the offer, right? Free travel bag. Take me anywhere on vacation, so I don't have an excuse not to work out, right? So this is their offer. You're also getting a free travel bag, which is pretty cool.
it comes with a free travel bag, perfect for taking it with you anywhere. Get yours.
Okay. So obviously it has an amazing hook. It shows the products and benefits. The audio matches the setting and edits, right? Obviously really beaty music kind of matches, right? Awesome footage, lighting, and background. Has an amazing offer and call to action. Okay, so you can see why that works. Now that we talked about the method that you can use to actually make your video ads for free yourself, which is super cool, let's talk about an outsourcing method. Let's say you want someone to make your video ads. Here is your best option, and the sponsor of our video, Viral Ecom Ads. So Viral Ecom Ads has made over 50,000 video ads for over 25,000 people, and the actual owners are good friends of mine. I reached out to them because I knew I was going to make this video. I was like, hey, do you want to sponsor the video? Your service is awesome, and I want my users to use you. These guys have done over $30 million with just their video ads. So it's incredible, and this works. So how does it work? Really simple. Okay, you're going to see in the link in the description, I have a link for you to use for them. The code is going to be Jacobs15. That's the code they gave me. Pretty sick. I believe it'll take off 15% on all your orders, and really simple. So you come onto the website, right? You can see for TikTok, they have 1 or 3 or 5 or 10 TikTok split testing packages. They have super fast delivery. I believe it's 1 to 3 days, which is incredibly fast for video ads. And they even have a VIP members where you can get these video ads for $12.50, which is crazy. So if you you are testing a lot and you want a company to make video ads for you, definitely recommend you look into the VIP members. All right, so very simple. You place an order, then you're going to get an email with just questions about your product. You submit the link, and then within 1 to 3 days, you get your video ad to your email. Simple as that, right? If you do need revisions, you want to, improve on your video, just tell them, right? Within 7 days, you can let them know and they will fix it for you, okay? So definitely recommend you look at the link in the description. They have a ton of video ad packages here, whether you're doing Facebook ads, TikTok ads, you name it, there's something for you on Viral Ecom Ads website. Again, don't forget to use my code, my link. I think I get commission as well, but yeah, to be honest, guys, we're putting all the money back into these videos and just providing as much as value as possible. So I appreciate you guys. And thank you, Viral Ecom Ads, for sponsoring this video. Seriously, guys, I would never promote something that I don't believe in, and these guys know what they're doing, so check them out. Also, something to keep in mind is it'll save you time and it will make you more money because your video ads will be much better than trying it on your own if you are a beginner. And of course, it's always good to test different video ads. I can't stress it enough. Video ads is your make or break for most of your products that you're going to try to advertise, because there's so many dropshippers out there and e-commerce sellers. What makes you different? It's your video ad. Now, lastly, let's talk about UGC creators and how to actually utilize them to make really awesome video creatives. What is UGC? It's user-generated content, getting people to actually make videos on your product for your brand. Now, UGC obviously will be more expensive and will be a lot more time consuming. However, in the long run, this is by far the best option. Now, if I were to get any UGC done, probably the best place to find UGC is none other than Twitter. Obviously, you also have Upwork.com. I think Viral Ecom Ads also does UGC, but let's go ahead and go through my Twitter method. Okay, so super simple. All I would do is go to twitter.com, make an account, and say, looking for a UGC creator in the blank, okay, whatever the niche is, right? Niche. So let's say you're selling clothing in the clothing niche, jewelry niche, you name it, okay? Please send me your rates and examples of what you have created. And then you type in hashtag UGC, hashtag UGC creator. Okay. Literally works like magic. Okay. You post this and you're going to probably get, and I'm no kidding, like 10 to 30 people hit you up in a matter of 24 hours. Okay. Obviously sift through them. You want to figure out which creator has the best videos at the best price that meets your budget. And then you can send them your product. If you are dropshipping, you can send it via Amazon. If you're a brand, send them via your actual shipping lines. Now, it's super important that you don't just give them the creative power to do any type of video. Send them examples of your top video ads. Or if you don't have any video ads, send them examples of video ads in your niche that actually crushed it, and tell them to recreate it almost exactly just like that. Ask them to send you the raw files as well as an edited version. So in case they aren't really good at video ads and editing, you'll be able to edit it for yourself and always use that content later on. Now, here's the free method you can do is you can actually reach out to a bunch of influencers over on Instagram or on TikTok and just offer them a free product in return for a video creative. Most of the people will say no, but if you aim for people that have under 10,000 followers, then many times you will get a yes. Just email as many people as you can. At one point, I was emailing 100 people a day. No, I wasn't doing it alone. I had a virtual assistant that I hired from the Philippines to do it all for me. That's an idea that you should probably implement if you are a brand or you're looking to scale your product for multiple months at a time or even a few years, or even build something bigger than just dropshipping. Now, I encourage you to test and experiment with different strategies. There's no one perfect way of doing it. However, remember that your video ad's super important, and always pay attention to what's working for your competitors so you can use it for yourself. Why reinvent the wheel if you could just look at what video ads are crushing it out there using PP ads or any spy tool, or even just scrolling on your Instagram and TikTok feed and seeing which video ads are getting hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. If they're getting so many views, you can actually learn from it and implement those strategies for yourself. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I also have a video that came out recently, which is the top 5 pillars you need to know in order to crush it with e-commerce and dropshipping in 2024. If you have not yet seen that video, I'll link it in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.